Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. I'm the queen of giveaways. I have got a huge 300 subscriber giveaway going on, a couple others, as well as every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So for the month of September, it is the Ruby May Mood palette. I will put links in the description box down below that will take you to the different videos that explain all the different giveaways that are going on. Number one rule for all my giveaways is you must be a subscriber. That's why I do it for you guys. So let's get into September's Birchbox. Are not familiar with Birchbox, it ships out every month. It used to be $10 a month and now they're going to raise it to $15 a month. And I've had my issues kind of with Birchbox. And so some are good, some are bad months. Let's find out what we've got in here. I was able, so you can either go and pick out an entire box that's already curated. There's about 2 or 3 different choices on those, or you can pick a sample, and Birchbox always sends sample products. And you can send I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say always. Every once in a while, they will throw in a full size. We've gotten full size nail products and stuff like that before. Anyway, you can choose a one sample, and then they will surprise you with the rest of the ones. And that's what I did this month because I really liked one of the samples. So I have one that's not a surprise, but the rest are. Let's dive into the box. I did want to also say that this month is the first time I've seen it. They threw in a makeup bag with the box as well, and it says all the things. It's purple here. It's got the little Birchbox symbol down here. Here's what the inside looks like, and then the back is plain. And it's cute. So it says that September 18th is their Customer Appreciation Day. September marks our 9th anniversary, and it's our chance to celebrate the people who've made us what we are, basically you. We have an entire month filled with all things from new product launches to crazy good deals to surprise giveaways. This month is all about you. And then the back talks about the different products. It says spend some time in the mirror with these products. And then there are these bunch of different stickers. And then all the products are wrapped in tissue paper. So the first product is from MAC Cosmetics. I haven't seen a MAC Cosmetics in a Birchbox before. It is their Prep and Prime Natural Radiance, and it is in the shade Yellow. Full size is $42. So you could have gotten 2 shades with this. You could have gotten the Radiant Pink for light to medium skin tones, or the Radiant Yellow, which is medium to dark skin tones. We all filled out that profile. Look at my skin. Is it dark, medium to dark? No, I'm more on the light side. These are the kind of things that just kind of annoy me with Birchbox. Is this, I don't have this skin tone, and we filled out the profiles. Why send this? So this one's gonna be a pass for me. Anyway, a little bit about it. Full size retails for $42. Prep for foundation application on the yellow-based pearlescent primer to complement your skin's natural undertones. Caffeine calms, while vitamin E and C hydrate and smooth. I can't do caffeine, I'm allergic to it, so yes, this one's a definite pass for me. Ooh, I've been loving COOLA products lately. This is the first time that it's been in a Birchbox. It's the Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum. Ooh, love this anti-aging. Full size of this retails for $46. This anti-aging face serum leaves skin with a youthful looking glow that lasts up to 3 days. Allow 2 to 4 hours for it to fully develop. This will be fun to try. So the next product is the one that I specifically picked out. It is the Sunday Rally C.E.O. Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. Full size of this retails for $40. I do have full size, use it every evening. Love it. Remember on your oils to put it on after your moisturizer. So it helps to brighten and hydrate skin with this fast absorbing oil. Golden turmeric evens out the tone, while evening primrose gives an overall glow. Mix into your moisturizer or use it in its place, it says. I just use it, like I said, afterwards. And this is the perfect size for traveling. I am going out of town this weekend for my brother's kind of bachelorette party, and so I take this with me. From Wander Beauty, love them, love that they're cruelty-free, female founded, is their Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in the shade Light. Full size of this does retail for $40, and it's a lightweight foundation, provides medium to full coverage and a naturally radiant finish. It's formulated with skin enriching ingredients to balance and even the skin tone. Here's what it looks like. And here's what the foundation itself looks like. It does give a lot of flashback on it. By R+Co, it's the first time it's been in a Birchbox, is the RODEO Star Thickening Styling Foam. Full size retails for $32. Add an instant volume and lift to hair with a non-sticky hair foam. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to towel dried hair and section by section, then blow dry. So I might try this, but there's no way I can blow dry my hair or it'll get really, really big. So I'll give it a go, but yeah, blow drying's not for me. Ooh, here's something kind of different. So this is a full-size product. It is the MakeupDrop Hybrid Full Size, retails for $20. And use the dual-sided sponge flat silicone face to smoothly apply makeup and skincare products. Think serum, moisturizer, BB cream, blush, and its rounded edge for easy blending. Can you see it here where it's got the silicone? And then here's your regular sponge. So I've already started setting stuff aside for my 400 subscriber giveaway. So I'm gonna be putting this one in there for you guys. So what do you guys think? I think it was an okay box. Was not the greatest. Obviously this kind of irked my hide. Why have us fill out profiles if you're not gonna use them? Love this. So it had its hits and its misses. What did you guys think? Did you guys, if you get Birchbox, did you guys get the same things? So when I originally signed up for Birchbox, I did a year, and I think my year's up in January, so I'm kind of debating where we're at now, whether I'm going to keep it or not. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me. When you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.